Welcome back to Software Hub. If you're using a cracked version of GTA 5 and you've already completed all the missions and now the game feels boring, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to add 150 plus new missions and make GTA 5 fun again. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Let's begin. I'll provide all these links in the description. Simply open the Scripthook V link first from there. On this website, click the download button and it will start downloading a RAR file. After the download is complete, open the scripthook.net link. From this GitHub page, scroll down until you see the Assets section, then click the scripthookv.net zip file and it will start downloading. Once both downloads are complete, open the folder where you saved them. Now extract both files. After that, right-click on the GTA 5 icon and click Open File Location. Arrange the GTA 5 directory folder on the left side and the Scripthook folders on the right side for easier access. First, open the Scripthook V folder, then go into the bin folder, copy the 3 DLL files and paste them into the GTA 5 directory. After that, go back and open the scripthook.net folder. Copy the files that I selected and paste them into the GTA 5 directory as well. Once this is done, we need to create a new folder. Create a new folder inside the GTA 5 directory and name it Scripts. This folder will be used to install all the mods. Now we need to install the map and missions mods into this folder. From the description links, open the 100 new missions link. From here, click the download button and it will start downloading. Remember, from this mod you only get 50 missions for free, not the full 100. Now let's install the second mission pack. Open the 90 new missions link from the description and click download again. Now you have access to around 140 missions in total. After that, open the Mission Maker link from the description. Don't worry if it looks complicated. It is actually very easy to install. Simply download this mod as well. Next, open the Lemon UI link from the description and download it too. After that, open the final link, which is Open All Interiors. Scroll down and click Download. Wait for 5 seconds, then click download again and it will start downloading. Now open the folder where you saved all the files. To keep things clean, I will delete the script hook files that we already used. After that, extract all the zip files. I am using WinRAR for extraction, but you can use any extraction software. Now open the GTA 5 directory again and arrange it just like before. Inside the GTA 5 directory, open the scripts folder. Now open the Open All Interiors folder. Copy the first two files and paste them into the scripts folder. After that, go back and open the LemonUI folder. From here, open the shvdn3 folder. Copy all the files and paste them into the scripts folder. Now go back and open the Mission Maker folder. Copy the two DLL files and the folder, then paste them into the scripts folder. Then go back again. Now open any missions folder, go inside its scripts folder, copy the Mission Maker folder and paste it into the GTA 5 scripts folder. Now repeat the same step for the other missions folder. Again, go into the scripts folder, copy the Mission Maker folder and paste it into the main scripts folder. Now everything is done. Simply run your GTA 5 game. When the game starts, press the F10 key and it will open the missions menu. From here, you can see that around 211 new missions are available, although about 50 of them are not free. If you have completed the GTA 5 story and you are using a cracked version, you can now play these missions easily. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.